Hi beauties, today I'm talking about Laseresults, and this is a wonderful skincare line that's made in Canada. First step is the Exfoliating and Hydrating Cleanser. So this is featuring the CRV-8 Complex. So this is a luxurious yet lightweight emulsion uniquely formulated by Dr. Bernstein. So it cleans away the old skin cells, impurities, and oils without drying skin, resulting in a radiant complexion. So after you use it, the skin feels fresh, radiant, refreshed. It exfoliates and hydrates, leaving the skin clean, smooth, and hydrated. So to use it, you're gonna lather between hands with warm water. So I'm gonna show you how that looks. So it comes out in a gel, and then you lather it and you put it on your face and neck and pat dry after you rinse. Super easy, right? Dermatologist tested, allergy tested, has the patented CRV-8 complex. So the next step is the PM Intensive Focused Repair Lotion. So this is to be used at night. So this is an intensive overnight treatment with a maximum over-the-counter strength of 10% alpha hydroxy acids, and it has Dr. Bernstein's CRV-8 complex, specifically formulated to improve the appearance of photo-damaged skin. That's perfect. That's just what I need. So improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reduces the appearance of enlarged pores, while improving skin tone and clarity. So I really like the way it dispenses because it's right up on top over here. So I don't have to worry about twisting or pulling anything open. There's a little hole there, so I just pump it down like that. See, and then it comes out. See the texture of that there, and it sinks into my skin really nicely without irritating it. So you use this if you want to improve the appearance of photo damaged skin, right? So you put it on your face and neck every night, and then you follow that with the Laseresults Calm Restore Serum. Okay, so this is a unique hydrating serum designed to calm and protect photo damaged skin. So it improves the appearance of photo damaged skin. You put this on after the previous step was the intensive focused repair lotion. So you do that, and then you do the Calm Restore Serum. Okay, so again, it's super easy to dispense. There's a little hole there, and you just pump down. So I'll show you the texture of that. See there? So it's a nice serum there. I'll show you how that looks on my skin. It really absorbs nicely. But yeah, try all these together. The longer you use it, the better your skin will look.